night for some of you. It's actually in the middle of the night. It's 3 a.m. It's 3 in the morning, and I just got back to the terminal. And this night has been crazy because it has been snowing all night. But luckily me, I have been driving south, so the snow kind of like faded away more and more. And here it has stopped snowing, so it's just white on the ground. And in this video, I just wanted to show you how it looks like when I'm unloading my wagon. Because on the wagon I have some train wheels that is going onto another truck that is going some else place. So I have to remove them from the wagon. So yeah, that is what is going on in this video. But before we start, I'm going to show you real quick how much snow we had this night.
She's heartless. She stole my heart, it's true. My lover's a serial killer, but I'll always stay with her. Cruel is just a thing you do, but I love you. I love you. Try to touch you, but you can't. My own American psycho. And your love's the drug that takes me so high. Lights go down and you break back, and you can find her on the warpath. She's not the same in the daylight.
Here, there, seems like everywhere. Nasty things are happening, and now everyone is scared. Old Jeff Brown, the blacksmith, he saw his mother die. A critter took a bite from her, and now she's in the sky. The angels came down to old Jeff and told him what to do. Build yourself a great machine, its punch will see you through. When you pack a bunch, the whole damn bunch will not last very long. And while you put yourself to work, sing a country western song. No, Jeff didn't know much. Friends, neighbors, ladies, gentlemen, if you're feeling underpowered, I'll help you make amends. Stick your weapon in the slot and let it change your luck. Few things in life are guaranteed, but I promise this won't suck. Punch your fists into the air and raise a rebel yell. There's lots of bad uns out there you need to send to hell. With Pack-a-Punch, I have a hunch your problems will be gone. But if you end up on the ground, sing a country western song. Pack-a-Punch, 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 Pack-a-Punch. Punch your fist into the air and raise a rebel yell. There's lots of bad uns out there you need to send to hell. With
So that was the winter rolls for this night. And before we go out and unload the train wheels, I just wanted to tell you that it's not very common that you load and unload your own cargo on these long distance trucks. At least not at big companies like this. They usually have people that loads and unloads for you. But I'm so happy that I got here because I just love to load and unload myself. I think that is one of the main reasons why I'm here, because it's so much fun to do that. And for those who wonder, I don't get extra paid for doing that. It's kind of like a part of the job. So if you don't know how to operate like the Wheelloader or the forklift, you can't work here, because you really have to know how to do that to be able to work here. And I'm so happy that I got to learn how to drive these kind of machines, because that is somehow this work has got me into a passion that I didn't know that I had about machines and trucks and wheelloaders and everything with an engine. I'm just so fascinated about everything that moves and stuff like that, but we will take that in another video, because now we're going to go out and we're going to unload those train wheels.
am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
You are in pain. Take your life with cocaine. But I am who I am, so I do what I can when I can, but I can't really do a damn thing. So fine, this day, all your problems have gone away. But tomorrow, when you wake up, all your problems are back to say your life again. Turn it up with cocaine. And every time that you live is a time when you feel, and the only time you heal. You are in pain.
So there's something wrong with the truck. It doesn't start. I don't know why. So I'm going to have to unload the rest of the wagon with a wheelloader. So yeah, we're going to get to the wheelloader and unload the rest of the stuff that I have on the wagon.
You were like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I'd had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across a burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Were you worth the price I paid? Your ransom. I tried to find a way to justify missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sick release. A hostage on a silver plate to you, to you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Is it not enough that I barely got out with my life? I still carry every scar. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Were you worth the price I paid? Your ransom.
Well guys, I'm back in the truck again, and it appears that the battery is dead. I don't know how a battery could drop dead out of nowhere like this, but it did. So I gotta have to wait for the battery master to arrive and start my truck again. But anyways, I hope you liked the video. So yeah, if you liked it, don't forget to like it, and if you're not subscribing, please subscribe, and please drop a comment. Tell me what you thought about it. Was it an interesting, fun video? Was it boring? Or do you want to see something else? Or do you have any questions? Or just something? Just drop a comment here, because I really like to read the comments, and I like to know what you think and all of that stuff. So yeah, that was all for today. I still hope that you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!